There's no way those kids exchanging I love yous in your childhood bedroom could foresee us exchanging vows up here today. I loved you then, and I loved you a bit more every time you grabbed my hand in a crowd, sang to me in the car, and apologized to me first.
Ended up falling for me. And to this day I don't know how. I think about it constantly. I promise I won't let you down. But when I asked, you told me yes, to be in mine forevermore. All I can offer is my best, through the good and bad, through rich and poor. Oh, you look beautiful with that white dress on, with that white dress on. You look more beautiful than anyone I've known, than anyone I've known. You look beautiful. Oh, you look beautiful. You look beautiful with that white dress on, with that white dress on. You